Chase,
Hmm?
what are you doing?
Trying and put some on my cake.
Are you making a Christmas cupcake?
Hmm?
Are you making a Christmas cupcake?
Yeah.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Chris, yeah.
What else do you say? Say it again?
Ho ho ho!
Good job. Put some more in your cupcake.
Try and lick it.
What?
Try and lick it.
Oh.
I'm going to eat them.
Put them on your cupcake.
I'm trying to eat them.
Okay.
It's yummy.
It's yummy?
Yeah.
Alright. Put them on your cupcake, Chase.
No.
Okay, one more. Merry Christmas.
I'm